Hello everyone, this is the second episode of this series, which will be showing some more important features. And also, I'm not uploading any videos for a long time, so I apologize for that. Anyways, now let's start the video. Game Yog. So this is a new trick that I just found out of, and that is that you can basically right click, but keep it hold right click, and move your cursor while holding right click. So you can pan the camera like I was just panning it right now. So another feature is that it's called duplicate, so we need to select it and click duplicate like that. You can also use Control D to duplicate it. Then just select it, and to show you that it's actually duplicated, we need to move it away. So there's one of those, there's another of those, and I just duplicated it a lot. So we have all of these parts now. We can use Control Z or Z to just undo all of this. So now we just have to select it and copy. Once we've copied it, we need to use Control V to paste it. So Control C to copy and Control V to paste. There is also cut. So we select the part and Control X, or you can click on the cut, and Control V to paste. So now we have the View tab, and these are all of the menus, all of the options in the game. So let's remove all of them. Game Explorer, Output, Command Bar, Team Create, Terrain Editor, Properties, and Explorer. Let's remove all of the menus we have. And now I'm going to show you the menus you need. Explorer, you need that. Properties, you need that. They both should be next to each other. And next you need the output window. You also need Team Create. Well, you don't need Team Create. You need Toolbox. And you should place it right over there. You should also take Terrain Editor. And you should pick it up and try to move it into the toolbox so you can move between both of those over there. Same with the properties and the Explorer. Okay, so this is the Explorer tab. Just click on it and you will see all of the parts. So let's say So these are all of the things in your game. This is literally everything, and it looks complicated right now, but let's start with the basics, and that's the workspace. That's the whole thing that you can see in your game, actually. So let's choose the base plate, and that's the actual ground, the base plate. Let's move it like that. So we can move it. Control Z, let's undo that. And we have camera and terrain. Those are other things, but they're part of your game. Let's go into the part, which we just placed, that green little part. And these are the properties of the part. You can go to the color, and you can change the color. There will be a pop-up window. Cast shadow, if you don't want it to have a shadow. And there are lots of properties, so if we want the size to be changed. So we can just click on it, we can just type in it 20, and let's just go into the properties, and we can actually change the name like this. So let's go to the name in the data, and search it up, and let's say we want it to be special video, because this is a special video. Let's go to Explorer, and we can see the name is changed. Now there's one more important thing, and that is to actually publish this game to Roblox. But click on File and Publish to Roblox. Then we can give it a name. Let's say test name because I don't want to think of a name. Creator, just choose it as me, all, and if we click on console, then there's some weird settings. But we can look at those later. And published, like that, and of course, publish is Alt plus P, and close is Control plus F4, those are the shortcuts. Let's close our file, and now make sure, go to My Games, and make sure in Mine Games instead of shared with me, of course. And you'll see test name over there, or whatever you choose to name it. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then please watch this series because I'm gonna upload lots of videos on Roblox Studio for beginners. Also, if you liked it, then give it a like, that really supports me, and also subscribe to the channel. If you think other people would need it, then you can always share it to them. And I have a question for the comment section. What should the next video be? Because I think I've cleared out the basics in episode 1 and this episode 2. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Game, yeah.